Hello everyone, myself Shreem Shukla and I have secured a 99.78 percentile in the JEE Mains 2024 examination. Additionally, I have also qualified the National Chemistry Olympiad and was the city topper of my city. I did my 2 years of JEE prep at competition. I was a part of Pratham batch in 11th grade and Prakhar batch in 12th grade. Honestly speaking, my journey at competition for these 2 years has been a breeze. I did not even realize when these years passed by. ABJ sir, MT sir, NS sir, ALK sir made stuff so easy for me that I could do even JEE level problems at the tip of my fingers. I was a baby when I started my preparation in 11th grade. I did not even know basic differentiation, integration, and today I stand at the level where I can do even JEE advanced problems, and the transition was so smooth that I could not even realize. The best part about competition, you ask me, is that they do not just teach you PCM. They impart you the values to become a good human, a confident human in your life. When at competition, you do not just learn the subjects, they equip you with the soft skills as well for you to do well in the industry. Personally speaking, competition has not been a coaching for me. In fact, it has been an extended family for me. ALK sir, ABJ sir, MT sir, NS sir, all have been a father figure for me. No matter whether it was a doubt of PCM or just any problem related to my life, any problem, stress due to less marks in mock tests or whatever, they were always there to hear and make me comfortable. My experience as competition has been extremely great and I could not thank enough my teachers for that. At last, I would like to say to my juniors that do not hesitate even in 1% for joining competition. Even if you say that it's an online coaching, it is in fact an advantage. It saves your time to travel to your coaching center and you can use that time in self-study, which was one of the main reasons why I chose competition. My time here has been splendid and I request you and advise you as your senior to join competition without any hesitation. Thank you.